Have you ever stopped to think about how strange, smart, and surprising animals really are? I'm not talking about your pets, or even the animals you see at the zoo. I mean the creatures out there in the wild that can see colors we can't even imagine. Remember places for decades, and survive conditions humans could never dream of enduring. Today, we're diving into 10 animal kingdom facts that sound completely unbelievable but are 100% real. By the end of this video, you might never look at animals the same way again. Let's start under the sea. An octopus doesn't just have one heart, it has three. That's right. Three. Two of them work exclusively to pump blood through its gills, while the third one circulates blood to the rest of its body. And here's the wildest part. When an octopus swims, that main heart actually stops beating. This is probably why they prefer crawling along the ocean floor. It's less tiring. And if that wasn't strange enough, their blood isn't red like ours, it's blue. This is because their blood is copper-based, while ours is iron-based. You've probably heard the phrase "an elephant never forgets." Well, it turns out, that's not just a saying. It's pretty much true. Elephants have incredible memories. They can remember the locations of water sources, complex migration paths, and even specific humans for decades. There are documented cases of elephants recognizing people after being separated for 20 or even 30 years. In the wild, this powerful memory isn't just a party trick, it's a key to survival. Especially when it comes to finding water during a long drought. Now for a little time travel. Which came first, sharks or trees? If you said trees, you'd be wrong. Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for over 400 million years. Trees, on the other hand, only began to appear on land about 350 million years ago. That means for millions of years. Sharks were rulers of the planet before the first forests even grew. They've survived 5 mass extinctions, including the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. They are true survivors. The transformation of a caterpillar into a butterfly is magical, but it's also a bit bizarre. During metamorphosis inside the chrysalis, a caterpillar's body almost completely liquefies. It breaks down into a kind of soupy goo. Yet, somehow, butterflies can remember things they learned as caterpillars. Scientists have conducted experiments where they train caterpillars to avoid certain smells. After transforming, the butterflies still avoided those same smells. It's a mystery how memory survives that biological reboot. Let's talk about a creature that's practically immortal, the tardigrade, also known as a water bear. This microscopic animal is one of the toughest organisms on Earth. It can survive being frozen to near absolute zero, boiled at extreme temperatures, and even withstand the vacuum of outer space. When conditions get tough, they enter a state of suspended animation, essentially drying themselves out and waiting for things to get better. They are the ultimate survivalists. Ever seen a beautiful flamingo? Their iconic pink color doesn't come naturally. Flamingos are actually born with gray feathers. They get their vibrant pink or reddish hue from their diet, which is rich in beta-carotene. They eat algae and crustaceans that contain these pigments. So, the more carotenoids a flamingo eats, the pinker it becomes. In zoos, their diets are carefully managed to keep them looking picture perfect. We all know sloths are slow, but their slowness is a brilliant survival strategy. Moving at a snail's pace about 40 yards a day helps them conserve energy and avoid being spotted by predators like jaguars and eagles. Their fur even grows a type of algae that acts as camouflage, helping them blend in with the trees. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down, and their internal organs are even arranged to accommodate this unique lifestyle. Here's a fact that might make you feel a little inadequate. A mantis shrimp doesn't just see the world in more colors than we do, it sees a completely different reality. Humans have 3 types of color receptors in our eyes, allowing us to see the colors of the rainbow. Dogs have 2. A mantis shrimp, they have 16. They can see polarized light and colors that are completely unimaginable to us. They literally see the world in a way we can't even begin to comprehend. Moving on to birds, the bar-tailed godwit holds the record for the longest non-stop flight. Every year, these incredible birds fly from Alaska to New Zealand without a single break. That's a journey of over 7,000 miles, lasting about 8 to 9 days. they don't stop to eat, drink, or sleep. They just fly. Before they take off, they bulk up, doubling their body weight, and even shrink some of their internal organs to make themselves more aerodynamic. Finally, let's talk about the unsung hero of the animal kingdom, the humble wombat. Besides being incredibly cute, they have a very peculiar and very useful defense mechanism. Their rear ends are made of tough cartilage. When threatened by a predator like a dingo, a wombat will dive headfirst into its burrow and block the entrance with its backside. If the predator tries to follow, the wombat can use its powerful legs to crush the predator's skull against the roof of the burrow. It's a surprisingly brutal but effective strategy. From three-hearted octopuses to immortal water bears, the animal kingdom is full of wonders that challenge our understanding of life. Each creature has evolved unique and incredible ways to survive and thrive. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing facts. See you next time.